Alright, man. It's your nigga, man. Young nigga trade. Options. Forgot what the fuck I named myself. So, yesterday, bro, I was up in the morning, man. I was looking at Tesla. I ain't gonna lie. I seen, I ain't gonna lie. I think I be knowing this shit. I need some viewers, man. I need folks to comment, bro. Tap in, bro. Get me right. And tell me, if I'm doing this shit right. Cause look, I seen this long, yesterday, I ain't gonna lie. I was on some bullshit, nigga was getting high and shit, and fell asleep. I was sleepy as hell in the morning yesterday, so shit. But this talk with, I seen this shit yesterday. And look, wait, did I sell? Hold on. I think I bought that shit. Wait, when the fuck? Alright, let me check my paper train. Yeah, I bought this shit yesterday, bro. Cause bro, I knew this shit was finna shoot up. I'm dead ass profitable the last 4 days of doing this shit. I forgot. They said I got filled. Oh yeah, on my hit, I think. What the fuck? I'm doing my video on focus. Some no bullshit. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, yeah. I bought, did I do this shit yesterday? Yeah, I sure did do this shit yesterday. Wait, I made a video yesterday, what the fuck? But nah, I did in the video. Did I do in the video? Nah, I did Tesla. Hold on, fucking on my shit. Alright, so yeah, I did Tesla yesterday. Did I do a video for this shit? But I sold that shit cause I think I just did a whole video on this shit, bro. What the fuck? Wait, nah, I ain't do no video yesterday. Let me check. Yes, I did. I did one 20 hours ago. Yeah, I did Tesla. Nah, yeah, I did Tesla. I did a put. But then that shit shot up. I did a put right here. But I ain't gonna lie, at the same time, that was not no good trade. Now I'm looking at this shit. Cause I'm glad I'm paper trained and shit. Cause yesterday, nigga, I would've really just got out that shit. Cause this the hour chart. Nah, this 30-minute right here. Oh shit. I was looking at the 30-minute whole time. So yeah. This bitch. Yeah, this bitch was a sale, nigga. Then I didn't wait for the candle to close. When the market first opened, you never fucking get in, bro. Cause you don't know how that shit finna go until you see the first candle when the market open and shit. So I'm on, I ain't gonna lie, I did catch that shit. That bitch went all the way to 422. Cause yeah, I did sell that. Now I remember that shit. That bitch went all the way to 422. And today, I'm still finna do this shit. This aftermarket, this market right here, and this pre-market, if I remember. Yeah, so pre-market, before this bitch opened, this shit had a long ass candle at the top, so that shit meant the sellers, and you can see the volume right here. That shit meant the sellers was pushing the market, all these niggas with this big ass money pushing that bitch up. So on God, I caught that bitch went all the way to 422, but I got out though at the same time. If I had the money though, cause shit, I'm finna save me about 1,000. Go in on 500. I don't really gotta do that though. I probably still gotta learn for a couple months. I ain't gonna cap before I even try to do this shit, but did this 4 days in a row, nigga, guessing this shit, not guessing, but getting this shit right, predicting this shit. But yeah, this candle closed, and that bitch had a strong, but ain't a lot of volume on that bitch was, motherfucking, sellers and shit, real, sellers, going in, but that shit did do a reversal for the buyers. The buyer did a reversal on that bitch. So it really don't matter what color that bitch is. Cause shit, most of these motherfuckers gonna reverse your ass. This shit like, yeah, this bitch went above V-Walk. Like, I ain't gonna lie, you got hella comfort. Like, if I stayed my ass up, I went to sleep at 10. This bitch said the green candle closed at 10. Cause look. Alright, so this would have been your confirmation right here. This bitch finna blow up. Oh, God. Like, damn. I'm like, bro, I hate, like, damn, I need to stay up in the morning and shit. And, like, really, like, put my eyes on this shit. But, oh, God, this bitch went all the way down to the demand and the buyers. Like, I don't know what it mean when it, like, reach the demand. Like, go past it. Or that bitch, like, rejecting. Is that shit rejecting off the demand? Yeah, it's rejecting off the man, and it got a long wick candle on the bottom. This bitch, I forgot, a pin bar candlestick. So that bitch got a strong buying pressure. Then your next candle right here, this green one, this motherfucker like opened up above this shit. And yeah, like it didn't reject, closed out right here. That would have been your confirmation to get in right there. That would have been your confirmation right there. So 4:28. So what time was that shit? Like, damn. I ain't gonna lie, like, trading minutes and shit. It's alright, but nigga, you gotta have a hell of money for that shit. Like, you really gotta wait on this market, cause, like, really just watch this shit. The hour chart, I ain't gonna lie, it'd be so easy to really read this shit. But I'm finna tell you how you would've caught this shit too. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I know what I'm talking about with this shit though. I got my supply and demand right here. That bitch reached demand. Opened up above here. Now it opened. And it closed right here, like above the motherfucking previous candle. So that was our confirmation to get in, 4:28. This bitch went all the way. Like you coulda stayed in. And shit, I ain't gonna lie, like this bitch still might go up. Cause shit, that's a buyers is still pushing this bitch, but right now that bitch got a I forgot what that word called. Continue. Something that means the market is in a damn stiff ass. I don't know how to fucking put this in words, but just going like this, back and forth. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, shit. You just gotta wait. But this bitch might be a reversal, but the volume low as hell, so you probably gonna have to wait some hours unless that bitch open up with a big ass candlestick, strength candlestick. But yeah, this video is just some documentary of my motherfucking journey, cause I'm dead ass taking this shit serious. And that nigga keep opening up ads and just fucking shit. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I did this the right way. It's a fair value gap, I think, right here too. And I gotta watch more videos on that shit, but yeah, I did good with this shit. That bitch broke. He broke through this motherfucker supply, so what that shit mean? Is that motherfucker gonna reach right here? 4:45 till that bitch break back down. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this bitch for sure finna be bullish. This bitch for sure finna be, I mean not bullish, bearish in a minute. Bitch finna go all the way to 4:45 and drop back down. I can just see that shit. Cause yeah, that motherfucker gonna stutter. You gotta see if that motherfucker reject. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna go and put I don't know if you can use this as a supply. But I'ma see y'all niggas at 8:30. I'm on Chicago time zone. But yeah, if this bitch reject this supply right here. Damn, I knew it was finna do this shit. I fucking hate that shit, man. You gotta zoom into this motherfucker just to get the motherfucking supply right. Alright, that supply sleep straight. So this motherfucker reject, like look, it rejected. You can see like you gotta learn these candlesticks, bro. Cause shit, I'm learning these motherfuckers. I don't know everything. But this motherfucker, long candlestick showing the sellers is try to reverse this shit. It rejected. It did not go past the previous candle. It closed below the previous candle. So yeah, that was your sign going in right there. Confirmation. I'm getting to know the confirmation entries on this shit now. And niggas finna start waking up and getting to this shit, man. I ain't gonna lie, I might really save me up like 1,500, then really put 500 into this shit. Cause yeah, this shit really like going my way. I just gotta really fucking start saving. Nigga might fuck around and get 2 jobs. Just save that motherfucking shit, dude. I can see this motherfucker hitting 445, then rejecting, dropping back down. And I'm see y'all at 8:30 though. I'm finna upload this shit right now. And it's 7 a.m. I'm gonna see y'all niggas at 8:30.